morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is the face of Ola'sfoodies, and today I want to show you how to wrap your egg roll. Yes, egg roll. So I'm Ola'sfoodies. I bake, I cook, I make pastry, I do surprises. So if you are the type that is very busy and you find it difficult to cook, we are available and your location is not a barrier, you can always send it. So I'm going to show you the second one. Let me wrap this one first. I've done it before starting the video. You make sure that you seal it properly. So you need to make sure that your batter is not too it's not too what you like. It must stand. Look at this, it's standing. So you make sure that if it's sticky, you can add a little bit of flour. So if it's sticky, you just add a little bit of flour. So look at the way it is. So after putting you put your egg inside and you start bringing the remaining parts together, like you are molding it. You are molding. So make sure that it is properly sealed. If not, it will open in the oil and that will not give you what you want. So you mold it with your hand properly. So this is not bad, it's a bit sticky. This egg is 82 grams each. So if you have your scale, you can make use of it. So can you see? Then you bring your egg, you put it inside, you bring it like this. You make sure that you seal properly. You must seal it properly. If not, everything will just open when you are frying. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the outcome when I'm done. So the ingredients I use in making this is flour, sugar, baking powder, pinch of salt, nutmeg, milk, and of course water. So you need to mix everything together. You can measure it. Yeah, it is normal, you will measure it. Or if you are the type you want to eat it in your house, you can just bring it together and do it to your taste. So this is the remaining. So I myself will taste this. It is necessary. So you combine everything together, you mix it. Then your oil. Another thing that you must do is that when you are frying egg roll, make sure that your groundnut oil is enough. Don't manage it because it will get hot and it will not give you that golden brown look. Do you understand? So let's go fry. So can you see? So this is the process of frying it. I'm already frying. Make sure that your oil is not too. Make sure that your fire is not too high, so it will fry properly. Don't be in a hurry. Do you get? Don't be in a hurry. And of course, whenever I'm done doing what I'm doing, I will make sure that I clean whatsoever I use. Make sure I clean it and return it to the proper place. This is very necessary. Make sure you clean where you work. Like the board, make sure you clean it. If it's required to pour water, pour water. Make sure that your environment where you work is well kept and clean because people are washing. Okay, so also I'm still going to be talking about something. So there was this fried rice I dropped the last time. I cooked a fried rice. You see a fried rice? I cooked fried rice. So and it's on the budget and trust me, it was very nice. Like people were like, how did you do it? How did you do it? How did you do it? I was like, and it's just with little, like just cooking. Though you can cook a luxurious one and so ever, but let me give you the gist. I'm coming. Let me check what I'm doing. So for you to cook your fried rice, of course you need your rice, you need your groundnut oil, you need your chicken, your beef, or yeah, you can also use egg. You can use fish to complement your fried rice, but don't ever put the water inside the fried rice because of the smell. It's raw. No, it's off. So let's quickly prepare your rice, your curry, your thyme, or any seasoning of your choice except red one. Any seasoning that is red, you cannot put it because it is called fried rice. And you know, usually fried rice contain vegetables which are usually green, yellow, and so on, but not red. So for your veggies, you need your pea, your onions, your spring onions, your carrot, your red kidney, your bell pepper, but it should be green, and so on. So let's quickly prepare it because of our time. So we call it fried rice. Some people don't know the meaning of that fried, though we have different method of cooking this fried rice. But the method that is best used and people has been using that, even though if you cook that fried rice, like it will last for like 2 days. Can you believe that? So let's do it. So all your veggies, make sure you dice it into sizes that you like, that will be attractive. Dice it, then your clean pot on the fire, add little groundnut oil, pour all your veggies there, fry it, make sure it fries like a bit, put your seasoning. You can use Knorr, you can use Maggi, you can use Terra, but make sure that anything that is red, you don't use it because it will change the color. Do you get? So hold on please. So you fry, then you can add little curry, little thyme, and salt to taste. You can also add nutmeg, but just little. One thing you have to know is that when you add too much nutmeg, it's going to be bitter. So too much of everything is bad. So you just need to put like pinch. You can put 2 pinch, so it will bring out the aroma. You understand what I mean? So after that, we now remove it from the fire. Remove it from the pot. Now your rice, your wash, if you like, you can use any rice that you like. You can use any rice, small rice, big rice, basmati, whatsoever, just use it. But one thing I just have to say is that don't use brown rice, because if you use brown rice, it will not bring out the vibe. So after that, your washed rice, now you have to add little groundnut oil to the one in the fry pan or the pot that you use. So you will fry your rice. That's where the name fried rice came in. Fried rice. I'm coming. Another thing that I want to say is that if you are new to all this frying whatsoever, make sure that if you want to fry your snacks, make sure you use this. This is a skewer. So you will use it to check it if it is ready. So here is the outcome. Can you see it very well? Here is the outcome. Can you see it? Like look at how fresh it is. So you can try it out. So look at. So this is one of the small ones I made. And see, it is crunchy, very, very crunchy. Look at, like, oh my god, look at, oh god. Oops, so hot. So look at the inside. Can you see? Mm. So now you will fry the rice. You are frying. Don't put water into. So you will fry it. Fry, fry, fry. You can fry for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Yes. Then you will now add your pepper. You will add your curry thyme or masala or any seasoning that you want to add. You add your Maggi, no, Terra, but make sure you don't use the red one, like I said. Don't use the red one. If you use the red one, it's going to spoil something. It's going to spoil sugar. So let's continue. So you will mix together, you add your salt. Make sure that your salt is not too much. If your salt is not enough, it's a thing that you can later add salt later. Do you understand? So make sure that the salt is very little. Then this thing, nutmeg, is a game changer. This is a game changer. You can use it, but make sure that it is very little. Now you add your water. Maybe because you are cooking fried rice, so it has to stand. Not that it will be soggy and very soft. No, it must not be too soft. So you add your water. Then the meat stock or the chicken stock, make sure you add it. Like I said, if you are using fish, don't add your fish stock, or it's going to bring out another smell and you won't like it. So now you cover, you cook. You are cooking already now. You are cooking. Make sure that the fire is not too high and not too low. You are cooking already now. So let's proceed. So you will check it when it is not too very soft, but it is done, but not too very soft. You know, it must not be too soft. So you make sure that it is very dry. Like, are you getting what I'm saying? Make sure that it is very dry. See, I'll be happy if you can try this at home, maybe during weekend or your husband's birthday, your kids, your children's birthday. Like, they will be happy that, oh mommy, I'm so happy you made this. You see that fried rice will become their favorite food. So now that everything has dried, then your veggies, that one that you have already prepared already, you will now pour it on it. You know that this pea, there are some people that will buy the can one, the one in can, the one in can, you can use it. Then this red kidney, you know it's usually hard, so you will cook it. Make sure you cook it and to be soft. So you add it. So another thing that you will do, yes ma'am. So another thing that you will do is that after adding, now put out your fire, off your gas, so that your rice will not be too soggy. We are done already. So your sweet corn, if you have the money, you can add it. Yes, mix together. Oh my god. So there's another thing I want to say. You can use egg too. You will just fry your egg without pepper, even without sauce. Just fry it. Then after doing that, you now add it to it. See, this is like when people taste your fried rice, they will be like, yes. Another thing I want to say is that some people, they just add green color to their fried rice and they call it fried rice. See, it's not a must that you add green color to your fried rice before you call it fried rice. It is the veggies that make it fried or green or whatsoever rice. Do you understand? So after that, your food is ready. So you can serve it with your beef, with your chicken, with your turkey, with your fish, with your egg. Enjoy it with any drink of your choice. And you will thank me later. Make sure you try this at home. And and you will like it. So thank you for listening. Whenever you see this video, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you so much. I remain Ola'sfoodies. For your wedding cake, your birthday cake, your celebration cake, the one that you just want to eat at home without even icing, we do all this. And we also deliver food. If you are the type that is very busy, you are a banker, a doctor, online worker, a teacher, just name the profession, you know that you are busy. We are here for you. We will help you to cook it. We will deliver it to your location. And also, I sell dry pomo Ijebu. Do what to patronize me. Thank you so much. Bye.